Morning students, welcome to your VBPS e-learning class. I hope you all are well, staying safe at home. This is your English period. I'm your English teacher. Today you will have a revision from English language because your English language pre-periodic paper is on 22nd July. So be ready with the revision work. Do it in your English language copy and then show it to me in the WhatsApp group. Dear students, start your revision work. Students, you all know that on 22nd of July you will have your English language paper. So today we will have English language revision. Today's date is 27/2021. Revision. Question 1. Write the definition of sentence with two examples. You will write the definition of sentence with two examples. How many examples? With two examples. Now we will come to second question. Second question is write an essay on my best friend. You will write the essay on my best friend. How many lines? You will write 10 lines. Question number 3. Make new words by adding a letter before or after the following words. We have done this exercise in our English language book. Do it in your copies also. Right? So number 1 is dash END on over here. Before or after, anywhere you can add. Second one, dash WAS. Before and after you can add any word. Then third one, dash HERER. And here you can add any word before and after. Then fourth one, dash LIP lip. You can add over here or here. Anything you can add. Then fifth one, RAM RAM. You can add it over here or here only. Anywhere you can add. Okay? In this you will write the correct word over here. And then question number 4. Write the definition of noun with two examples. Now you will write the definition of noun with two examples. How many examples? With two examples. Then question number 5. Fill in the blanks with suitable collective nouns given in the help box. Suitable collective nouns. You have to fill collective noun in these blanks. Number 1, a dash of people. Second, a dash of books. Third, a dash of ants. Fourth, a dash of wolves. Fifth, a dash of sticks. Okay? Write the correct answers with the correct numbering. In the first question, you will write the definition of sentence with two examples. Then you will write an essay that is 10 lines. Then you will write words. You will make words adding before and after. Then in question number 4, you will again write the definition of noun with two examples. Then question number 5, fill in the blanks with suitable collective nouns given in the help box. You will fill these blanks and then submit your answer sheet, English language answer sheet, in the WhatsApp group. Okay? Do the revision work in your English language copy and then submit it in your WhatsApp group. Dear students, Tomorrow's homework will be what? From your English word book and reader book. Learn all the exercises from our English word book and reader book, right? Tomorrow we will have from that book revision. From those two books you will have the revision. Thank you. Have a good day.